What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an eBay business. I'm going to go through the 5 steps in today's video that will help you, so watch the whole video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. So when it comes to step number 1, as soon as possible, what I would advise people to do is to sign up to PayPal. PayPal is the number 1 payment method for eBay, and you'll be able to go through the verification process, which is very important. So majority of the payments are going to come from PayPal that you receive in the future from your customers. So it's better for you to get your account verified as soon as possible. So go through the verification process. The verification process consists of submitting all your details: your name, your bank details, your address, your date of birth. So do whatever PayPal need from you to verify the account. A lot of people that end up complaining and miss out this step about their funds have been held for more than 21 days. Another thing that you need to know: for every new seller, PayPal have a policy that they are allowed to hold on to your funds within 21 days. So if you contact them that the item has been delivered after you submit tracking information and let them know for any item that you have sold, and the buyer also let your positive feedback, don't be afraid. They will be able to release and holding the funds, your funds, as long as you go through the verification process. Upload, just go and do what they want you to do. Go for the verification process. Don't be afraid of PayPal. That's it for step number 1. Let's move to the next step. Step number 2. From 0 to 100, you need to build your feedback by purchasing cheap items. You could do this, and how to do that? By selling SIM cards. They go with free delivery and they go for 99% feedback, which means that if you spend $100, you'll be able to get quickly your feedback score up to 100. That's simple and easy to do, and you can purchase items that you actually need. You don't have to only purchase SIM cards. If you need a new whatever, you can purchase. If you need a new kettle for your house, whatever, you can purchase through your eBay account. And when it comes time for you to start selling, you will count towards your feedback as a seller, and you need to build up that reputation. And that's the reason why this step is important. So you have built up this foundation when you do start your eBay business, and that will make it a lot easier for you to do. You should know that it works on a feedback system. That's the why eBay works. Don't try to go straight into selling. A lot of people miss out. This step is very important. So before you think about buying, look at your feedback first. You'll be able to have a bit more success once you build up your feedback at least 100. So build your feedback to the highest amount possible. Go up to 200, 300 if you can. That would be better for you, but 100 is the minimum. So in the beginning, try to get your feedback to the highest amount possible. So let's move to the next step. Step number 3. You need to know how eBay actually works. You should know that you need to look for a trending product that's doing well on eBay, and that's my advice to you. And if you need to know how you can do that, you can find videos on my channel, so check it out. But you can start with resistance bands. You can use it to jump and start your business, and that's doing well. So that's not a temporary business, it's a long-term business. So to start your business, look for a trending product, and I have made a couple videos on my channel on how to do product research. It will help you to find products that you can start selling yourself. Step number 4. Don't take anything out of it. You need to reinvest back any profit that you make into your business. Continue to reinvest in stock. Keep growing your business. Grow your inventory pace, growing it in different ways, whether it was new stock. So I want you to be this in mind. Keep reinvesting your profits back into my business as a way for you to grow a business long term. Don't see eBay as a get rich quick. Keep reinvesting your profits back into the business. Step number 5. I would advise people to look for items that they haven't used in a long time around their house. Ask for items, ask your family, and then sell them on eBay. This is a great way for you to get started on eBay, and this is how the platform works. It teaches you how to deal with customer and how to list items. It teaches you about postage costs, eBay fees, PayPal fees. So during this time, you are going to learn a lot, and this is how I actually got started with my eBay business. Look for items that you are not necessarily going to ever use. Make sure the condition is up to scratch, and then list it on eBay. It might be valuable to someone else, so it's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.